starting on freshly washed hair. Yeah.
I love you.
So now she wants to be acting cute for y'all over camera, but my hair gets so tangled at the roots, and I'm trying to show you guys in real time, but now she want to be acting nice, not as tangled as she usually is. That's weird. What the heck is that? So next, we're gonna get some edge control. Y'all, don't even mind me because I don't even know why I randomly decided to just do this style. Get the boar brush. Kinda slick that down. So next, gonna do this instead of in. Wrap it there, what, twice? Look at how our hair is just so cool. Like, sometimes I'm just really amazed. Like, just look. Like, look at this. It just coils, and then we're just more kinky up here. My hair is lit. Sometimes I'll be sleeping on my hair. So cool. Okay guys, I am finally done. This took me like an hour and like 15 minutes just because I was getting all the parts correct. We got little flyaways here, but nothing I can't fix. It took me way longer than I thought, but I feel like it's because I had to part everything. The next part should be easier. So I don't, these are not really the vibes I'm trying to go for. This is just not, it's not closing. It's just not coming out. Is it the hook? Okay, maybe it's the hook because it's not closing. Okay. Watch it not be the hook. Watch it just be me. Oh wait, no, it was a hook. Half of this here. Oh, y'all, I'm struggling, sis. So I got Taliah Wajid. It's curly curl cream. Oh, that's not the piece I need. Yo, this is looking a little bit on the foolish side. So, usually, because when I usually do twists like this, I usually don't already have a rubber band. So I'll show you guys what I usually do. Ow, ow, ow. Semi-even split, right? And then I put it like so. Get the rubber band. See how flawless this looks? And then I start twisting, which I feel like I should do it this way, but I was like, ooh, let me crochet and be difficult. It is kind of unraveling, but you get my drift. Guys, I think I decided I'm going to not crochet it in. Like, the thought was there, the idea was there, and I'm sure people have done it, but like right now I want to be done with my hair. Do kind of like what I was doing before. You see, this is like a realistic video of me just showing you how I struggle when I want to do something different with my hair. Like, this is like the daily struggle. I don't want to use a comb. I kind of just want to finger detangle since yesterday was wash day and I already kind of did a lot of, you know, manipulation, and then right now I'm about to undo a lot of them and manipulate my hair some more. I'm just not going to use any tools to detangle my hair. So this is why I stick to twists and braids. Twists and braids. Literally. Now look at this one. Look at her. Look, what is she doing?
Show me what that natural hair do. Yeah. She got that poetic justice, that Badu, that India I read Jill Scott too.